Hey guys, this is TNN, and we're going to have a look at an interesting product from a company called CAMDUCK. If you haven't seen the title yet, then you may not know exactly what this is, so we're going to find out together what this is. So here we have their logo, which is like just a picture of a little duckling. And I mean, I guess the first word cam will give it away what it is, so it looks like it's some sort of camera product. Nothing else in the box. It's literally really simple box with just their logo stamped straight onto it. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. Let's have a look and see what we got in here. We've got the user manual. So here it is, the high-end hidden camera experts, CAMDUCK X. And this is the user manual for what we have here. So looks like we're going to have to download some apps. Put that to one side. Let's have a look at the actual product itself. Not much in the box, it's literally the product and the user manual. So we'll go ahead and put that to one side. Let's have a look at the actual product itself. So, looks like it's got like cat ears. So what this is a wall outlet. As you can see, it's not a UK wall outlet. It's a different country. I'm not actually too sure what country uses this wall outlet. If you know, comment down below what country uses this wall outlet. But yeah, so what it is designed to look like a normal wall outlet when it's plugged into the wall, but I don't think it looks that normal with these cat ears. If they just got rid of this, and then it would look like a normal wall outlet and you would not tell. But there is a little hole here for a microphone, and if the camera just hits it, it's very hard to see. But you can tell in person that right in the middle there is actually a camera. I'm not too sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but right there is a camera, and it's actually very well hidden. You actually cannot notice it. So let's have a look at the user manual. We've got the hidden built-in LED indicator. We've got the lens. Type-C, you've got a Type-C port, USB port for charging, and a Type-C port for charging with an AC outlet, which is a 1250 watt outlet. So wow. It does say please make sure it doesn't exceed this. We've got a cover on the top for a hidden SD card, a reset button. You can open the back cover, insert SD card, so you can record your footage. And then we've got what each of the indicators mean. If the blue light flashes, camera's not connected to Wi-Fi, blue light on, blah 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 blah. You got the app over here where you can scan the QR code and download the app and connect to the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a go. Probably not going to put in the video because it'll be a bit long. How to save the video? You can save it onto up to 256 gigabytes SD card. SD card is not included. Once you plug the socket into the wall plug, the camera will turn on. 8 seconds after it's plugged in, it will be the blue and red light will both flash and the camera will turn on. Interesting. And then you can connect it to the internet all through the app. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and we'll be right back. What we're gonna need, because we're in the UK, is our trusty little adapter. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've just downloaded the CAMDUCK app now. It is available on iPhone and Android. And as you can see, I have also plugged it in as well. And you see a blue and red light flash on the top as well. So must mean it is plugged in and ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it up and we'll see how it goes. Right, so we are back, and that was actually not too bad to set up. So here is the app, here is the camera. You can get alarm notifications and reports, which is pretty cool. You've got albums, you've got the SD file, and you've got settings where you can change the name of the camera. You can turn on engineering, I don't know what happened to me there, engineering mode, network configuration, camera information, time settings. You've got all sorts of settings here. Then you can go on the actual camera. You can get the alarm news here as well, but there's been no reports. You've got photos, so you can take pictures. You can see here it saves the pictures, which is really cool. You can then do start recording, and it is recording it now. And you can see here, like, the quality is not the best, but for such a small little camera, it's actually not too bad. And it saves the recording as well. But you can see here, like it's got a little blurred look to it, but it's not that bad considering how tiny it is, and for like security wise. You can then go on album and have a look at the saved images, which also does save with timestamps as well. Look at that timestamp. It's pretty awesome. I mean, it does what it's got to do. And then we've got our video recording there, and it's saved directly to my phone. Look at that. And you can see the quality of the video as well. Like, it's very clear. I mean, if you saw someone's face, it is very clear. The colours are good. It's very clear. It's not HD or anything, but is it clear? Yeah, it's clear, alright. And it does very simple stuff. You can change it to 4 megapixel or 1080p, but I don't see much of a difference here, in all honesty. But other than that, I mean, it's very simple, very easy to set up. It does straight what it's meant to do out of the box. Now, it does say not to charge 3 devices or use 3 devices at the same time. Obviously, it is also a wall outlet, but if you're using 3 devices at the same time, it does tend to overheat, and then it will cut off everything and turn it all off. So do only charge around 1 or 2 devices at the same time. We do have a USB-C port, which is 5 volts, 2.1 amps. Same with these USB ports as well. And then of course you've got your main outlets as well. So it's pretty good. Only thing is, I would say it doesn't look that disguising. I mean, you wouldn't think this is a camera. In all honesty, you wouldn't think this is a camera. But these ears here kind of ruined the whole look of it. I think it would look a lot more sleek and blend in a lot more if it didn't have those ears. And also the loud little speaker grill on the side here, yeah, that gives it away as well. So that's that with the camera. It's pretty good build quality wise. It feels pretty good as well. It does have this cover which you just got to claw into it and pull it out, and that's your SD card slot right there, so you can stick your SD card straight in there as well, which is pretty awesome. And then that just clicks right in like so. But again, that stands out quite a bit, so if you were a criminal and you saw this, you would have a look at this and see what this is. You would notice this, you would notice this, and you'd think, okay, this is something, this must be a doorbell, or you know, it's something up with this isn't normal. So I think it would work. I mean, it's definitely a good plan to try and catch thieves like a secret camera. It definitely is a very good secret camera. You cannot see the camera at all until you angle it at a certain point, but you will never notice it unless you knew it was a camera. So I like that about this device. Build quality wise, it's really good. It does straight what it's meant to do out of the box, and really easy and simple to set up as well. So I have to say that was really great. Other than that, I'd have to say for a product like this and for what it does, I'll give it a rating of 7 out of 10. I think it's pretty good. It's very good at disguising. It was very simple and very easy to set up, and the app user interface is very simple as well. Only thing is, these little ears look a bit weird, not my cup of tea, and these speaker grills and this top bit here gives away that this isn't just a normal wall outlet and that there is something up. And also, I'm not too sure what this bottom bit here is for. I mean, it might be for, you know, other country plugs. Maybe they just slide in perfectly. I'm not too sure. If you guys know, you know, put it down in the comments below what you think that is, or what you know that is for, and also put down what country this plug is for. And yeah, other than that, 7 out of 10. If you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.